This video explains how to set the time and date on G-Shock GA-1000 watch. Make sure that the watch is in the timekeeping mode. Hold down the adjust button for about 2 seconds, until adjective appears on the screen. Press the mode button 2 times to set the 12-hour and 24-hour timekeeping. Press the search button to toggle 12-hour and 24-hour display. Press the mode button to set the seconds, and use the search button to reset the seconds. If the current second count is between 30 and 59, 1 is added to the minute count. If the second count is between 0 and 29, seconds count is reset to 0. Press the mode button to set the hour. And use the search button and the light button to adjust it. Select the minutes settings using mode button. And set it using search button and light button. Set the year by pressing the mode button. And adjust it using search button and light button. Press the mode button to select the month setting. And set it using search button and light button. Use the mode button for date settings. And adjust it using search button and light button. Press the adjust button to save all settings, and the hands will move to the set time. The day of the week changes automatically